Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Rohan Tanveer. Dear friends, today we will study bones lecture. Let's start. Our body has 206 bones. All the bones together form a frame is called a skeleton. Skeleton gives us shape or support to our body. It protects the soft inner part of our body. Bones of are different shape and sizes. The place where two or more bones meet is called a joint. Joint help us to move or bend our body. Thanks.